Hey guys, Kunal here, Bulls on Wall Street. A question I get every single day, people have been asking me, are small caps dead? Guys, this has been going on for like a year. Like everybody on the Twitter and everywhere, it's just like, small caps are dead, the market's so dead, the market's so dead. Come on. We're in a major bull market. We were in one in 2023. We're in one in 2024. What is happening is that a lot of people are looking at the market during those COVID times and thinking that's what the market is. And so during COVID times, every single day you saw 30, 40 stocks just explode out of nowhere. $1 to $2 to $10 to $20 to $80. And that just was happening nonstop. Market would open in the pre-market and you would have, right, dozens of stocks gapping up 20, 30%. That was an outlier year. Small caps are not dead, but they are not as hot as they were in 2020. If you look at the IWM, which is more of a mid-cap to small cap index, it's been stuck in a range for the last 2 years. But within that range, it's been moving around pretty good. If you look at the microcap index, the IWC, very similar to the small cap index. But let's just look anecdotally. This year, starting from about December, November of 2023, there have been literally dozens and dozens of these small cap stocks exploding out of nowhere. Even in this last couple weeks, right? You had CTMX and SGBTX and MOLN and so many of these randoms just going every single day. If you run a little top gainer scan every day, you're seeing tons of these $2, $3 stocks go. So yes, are they showing up in the indexes? No. Are there hundreds of them every single week like there was 2020? No. But are they dead? No. All you need is a handful every single day and you're gonna be good to go regardless. But on the other side of things, do you really even need to trade small caps? You can trade large caps and just do options on them and still rake in 20, 30, 50% gains. I mean, in our options trading chat room, I mean, Levi took some QQQ puts the other day, and on his last shares, you know, he ended up with over a 400% gain. I mean, there's so much out there that you can do with options and different strategies, just trading regular stocks. You don't actually need to be trading small caps. If I had a smaller account, I would go with a cash account and trade very liquid index options and large caps, not 0DTE, but go the next week out. And I would be really tactical and precise, and you can sit there and grow and build up your account a little bit by little. Just doing that, you don't even need to get into the small cap game. So are small caps dead? Absolutely not. Do you need them? Not a chance. Guys, let me know if you have any questions. Love you guys.